How to add to the Python path in Windows, so it finds my modules/packages? I have a directory which hosts all of my Django apps, c:\my_projects. I want to add this directory to my Python path so I can call the apps directly. I tried adding c:\my_projects to my Windows path variable from the Windows GUI. My computer is greater than properties is greater than advanced system settings is greater than environment variables. But it still doesn't read the Coltrane module and generates this error. Error, no module named Coltrane.
You know what has worked for me really well on Windows. My computer is greater than properties is greater than advanced system settings is greater than environment variables is greater than. Just add the path as c:\python27 or wherever you installed Python. Or. Then under system variables I create a new variable called Pythonpath. In this variable I have c:\python27 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 libtk, c:\other folders on the path. This is the best way that has worked for me, which I hadn't found in any of the docs offered. Edit, for those who are not able to get it. Please add c:\python27 along with it. Else it will never work.
Windows 7 Professional. I modified at mongoose_ca's answer to make it easier to change the Python version. Right-click, Computer Properties, Advanced System Settings, Environment Variables, click New, under System Variable. Click OK, locate the path, system variable and click Edit. Add the following to the existing variable. Click OK to close all of the windows. As a final sanity check, open a command prompt and enter Python. You should see. If you need to switch between versions, you only need to modify the py_home variable to point to the proper directory. This is a bit easier to manage if you need multiple Python versions installed.
From Windows command line. To set the Python path permanently, add the line to your autoexec.bat. Alternatively, if you edit the system variable through the system properties, it will also be changed permanently.
These solutions work, but they work for your code only on your machine. I would add a couple of lines to your code that look like this. That should take care of your problems.
Just append your installation path, xc:\python27 to the path variable in system variables. Then close and open your command line and type Python.